Okay. All right. No, but if it would be beneficial for you, I don't see why you wouldn't. Okay. I need everybody's cameras on. And this week for writing, you were supposed to add a few more slides to your famous Alabamian research. All right, so I went through this morning just to kind of flip through and see how it's going. And I've noticed that some people did not add those slides and they have turned it in again. So I want to go over one more time, even though we did this Monday, one more time, go through our to-do list and show you what you're supposed to do. Okay, so last week. Last week you were supposed to choose your famous Alabamian and you were supposed to research their important life events. All right, it's loading. All right, so you did the first slide. Important life events, the main events of a person's life. For example, their birthday, where they were born, education, where they went to school, family, influences, marriage, and death, if they are not alive anymore. So that was last week, okay? You were supposed to include at least 4 things. This week, your to-do list says on Monday, come on, to-do list, there it goes. Monday it says, go to your famous Alabamian Google Slides from last week and add a new slide. Label this slide, interests and hobbies. Research at least 4 interests and or hobbies that your famous Alabamian has or had. Okay, so that's this slide. After important life events is interests and hobbies. Okay, you're supposed to include at least 4 of those. Something I've noticed also is some people are highlighting the research they found, the paragraph, and they're copying and pasting that paragraph. Okay, first of all, that's illegal. Second of all, you are supposed to include 4 bullet points. So, interests and hobbies. If I was doing it on, I don't know, somebody, an interest or hobby could be hunting. Interest and hobby could be math. Could be reading books about acting. Uh-oh, I don't know what just happened. Okay, so you're supposed to do it just like that. It's not supposed to be long. It's just supposed to be bullet points, not sentences, just something quick and 4 of each thing. Okay, then on Tuesday, it says, go to your famous Alabamian Google Slides, add a new slide. Label this slide personality traits. Personality traits. Okay, on Wednesday, it doesn't say to do anything. Thursday, it says, go to your famous Alabamian Google Slides, label this new slide challenges. Challenges. Okay. And then Friday, there's nothing to add. So you should have added this week interests and hobbies, personality traits, and challenges. And you should include at least 4 bullet points under each one. 4 just quick, small sentences for each one. Not long paragraphs, not the paragraph that you found when you Googled it. Your own words. Okay. Questions. If you have a question, click the raising the hand emoji so that I can see. So we don't all ask them at the same time. All right, hold on, let me see if that works. Did that work? Okay. Well, just raise your hand and I'll try and get everybody. Okay, Miranda. All right, just stay on after this and I'll explain it to you. All right, who else has a question about their writing? Nobody? So everybody's going to go back to their famous Alabamian research once we're off of this right now and go and look at yours and make sure you have those slides. Everybody's going to be doing that? I hope so. Yes, to double check you did it correct. Okay. Okay, Jenna? Is that not Jenna? Nina, sorry. Okay, yeah. The important life events were for last week. So you're gonna have to do that one because that was last week's. Anybody else? Yeah, Cristiano. No. So what I'm saying is if you are putting exactly what it says word for word, then that's copying it. But if it talks about how they like all the details about how they enjoyed it, they like to cheerlead when they were younger, and you just put as an interest and hobby cheerleading, that's not the same as copying. You're welcome. All right. Anybody else? Okay. Kaylin, because it's called a copyright, and people, if you use other people's words and you are saying that you said it and not giving credit for them saying it, then that's illegal. Okay. All right, Kaylee, Wills. Yeah, babe. Yeah, it still has to be turned in this week. All right, here is your question. All right, if you could safely travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go and why? An acceptable answer is not, I don't know. You need to answer it. Think of a place. Where would you go and why? Explain why too.